Hi, welcome to the first tutorial for KREA University eLibrary. The tutorial explains how you can access the platform and discover content from more than 5 lakh electronic publications that are indexed in this eLibrary. You can access the eLibrary at krea.refread.com. Please don't use www in the URL. krea.refread.com is good enough. When you are not in the campus, you must log in to access the platform content. Some features like saving content for future reference, setting up news or TOC alerts, or placing item requests require you to log in. In general also, we recommend our users to log in because logged in activity helps us understand your reading behaviors and thus serve you better. In case you do not have your account on the eLibrary, please register using your full name, your official KREA email address, the password of your choice, and the last step, you'll have to verify your email using the OTP sent to your email address. For any assistance, please feel free to write to the librarian. Now let's just look at the platform. The platform sits at krea.refread.com. You must log in. Click on this button, enter your email address and the provided password. You can set up your own secure password by logging in once and clicking on your name. There's a settings section where you can change the password. Logged in users have full access to the platform content. You can browse the collection by discipline, by publisher, by format. We have also created some topic collections. We'll create more in coming few weeks. Now let's just look at one of these publishers. I've clicked on Elsevier journals. The platform loads all the Elsevier journals subscribed by the library. I can find the journal I want to read. Just click on the read button. The eLibrary does an automatic authentication on the publisher platform so that the publisher recognizes you as an affiliated member of the university and gives you full text access. You can click on any article, read the full text in HTML form, or download the PDF. Basically, you would get the same experience from anywhere across the globe like you would get when you are in the campus. It's as simple as that. Let's just try that once again for another publisher, this time EBSCO Business Source. So I've clicked on this link. I get the list of all the publications subscribed in this package. I can click on the read button. The authentication is done on the publisher website and you can read any volume, any issue that you may wish to. Now let's just look at the entire collection in this eLibrary. I click on all content button. As you can see, there are more than 4,80,000 full text publications on the platform. 4 lakh plus open access publications curated by Refread, 61,000 print books from the library, and 9,000 plus electronic subscriptions. In terms of media, the collection is rich. There are theses, video lectures, journals, ebooks, and you can perform these filters for publisher, author, publication year to limit the search results. You can even change the display format by clicking this button. Apart from the eResources, we have created some small collections of biographies, bioscopes, documentaries. There are more than 5,000 plus expert talks curated from platforms like TED, Big Thing, CEC, UGC. And in terms of literature, there are 2,000 plus titles in English, Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi on the platform. You can just read any of these. All of these are full text PDF books or audiobooks. The platform also features news clips made by the library and headlines from many top news publications. There are topic dashboards featuring latest news. You can even set up news alerts. Let's say I want to keep up with news related to COVID-19. I add it, I say confirm, and tomorrow onwards, the eLibrary will start sending me news related to COVID-19 straight to my email inbox. The platform has a smart search engine. So let's say I do a search on Harvard Business Review. Yeah. If you can see, there are 12,000 plus publications because the platform is searching for Harvard, business, and review as separate keyword terms. If you want to search Harvard Business Review as a phrase, just use quotes on either side and you would have limited results with Harvard Business Review as a phrase. Then you can just filter by subscription and click on the publication you are looking for. As was explained earlier, the authentication is done on the publisher platform and you can go ahead and read them. You can do keyword searches like this for topics as well. So let's say I do for social structure. By default, the platform will show me publications including ebooks, theses, video lectures, but I can also look for research articles by just switching over the tab from e-catalog to article. So the platform will fetch latest and most relevant results related to social structure from different platforms. You can perform more complex search queries using the advanced search form. Just click on this gear icon to load the advanced search, and you can define your search query by selecting fields, defining expressions, limiting them to specific publication year. You can do it for e-catalog or research articles. You can even limit your search for specific publishers. Whatever content you find on the platform in the search results, you can save them by clicking on this Add to Reading List button, and you can save as many documents into as many different folders as you want to, and whatever you save is available in the reading list perpetually for your reference. All your saved documents, you can just select them by clicking on this link and email the link to your peers. You can even export the citation in APA, MLA, and Chicago format, so it's very useful for research. You can do a lot more on the platform. You can save your search queries, you can follow your peers and see what they are reading on the platform, but more on that in the coming tutorials. Please note that your IP will get blocked if you make more than 4 unsuccessful attempts to log in. You must never share your account details with someone who's not a part of the KREA University. We are very sensitive to publishers' copyrights and intellectual property rights. You can read up to as many as 50 resources in a day, but this limit can be increased on request. If you want a personalized demo, if you face any issues in using the platform, if you want to have full text delivered to you of a particular resource, you can always get in touch with us on the provided email address and the WhatsApp number. We'll come back to you with more tutorials on how you can use Sociolib, mobile app, chatbot, and perform complex search queries using the advanced search form in the coming tutorials. Till then, happy reading.